Italy and Spain have just formed an alliance for Madrid's future amphibious vehicle. You may have heard that Spain has launched a modernization program dedicated to its Marine Corps with the goal of introducing a new amphibious combat vehicle. This project is part of the Spanish plan called VASSIM, an acronym that I will simply translate for you as Amphibious Combat Vehicle for the Marine Corps. At the core of this news is a strategic agreement between two very important entities, Indra, a Spanish company, and IDV, a historic Italian company that recently became part of the Leonardo Group. The program involves a total investment by Madrid estimated at around 370 million euros, with a timeline extending to 2030. The goal is therefore to equip the men and women of the Spanish armed forces with modern platforms, designed to operate both in maritime and land environments, and above all, interoperable with NATO allies. The plan establishes the acquisition of 34 amphibious armored vehicles in the 8x8 configuration based on the Super AV platform developed by IDV. The vehicles will be produced, mind you, in 4 operational variants, each with specific functions. The main component will consist of 28 vehicles intended for troop transport. According to Reed, these will be joined by 2 vehicles configured as command posts, 2 recovery vehicles, and another 2 set up as ambulances. The platforms will be supplied by IDV, while Indra will handle the integration of the systems and the final configuration according to the requirements defined by the ministry and the needs of the Spanish defense. Therefore, meeting not only military needs, but also those related to the country's industry, its development, and the promotion of jobs within the national territory. Most of the work will therefore involve and feature Spain, its territory, and its industry. For IDV, however, the collaboration represents an extension of its industrial presence in Spain through the supply of basic platforms and technological support. So, to give you an outline, the vehicle selected for the VASSIM program is the Super AV 8x8, an amphibious platform designed for landing operations, capable of operating directly from ships like the Trieste in the Italian case. The vehicle can carry a payload of up to 10 tons thanks to a configuration that ensures high levels of buoyancy. The vehicle is designed to be quite flexible, starting from the basic platform. It is equipped to integrate an advanced command and control suite and other equipment necessary for carrying out missions. In the specific case of Spain, according to Eugenio Po, the adoption of remotely operated 12.7mm turrets is expected. The Super AV platform has already been adopted in various operational contexts and by other countries. In the United States, it forms the basis of the amphibious combat vehicle, developed in collaboration with BI Systems for the Marine Corps. The contract for the US program was signed in 2018, with the first deliveries taking place at the end of 2020. In Italy, as far as we are concerned, the platform is used as the basis for the amphibious armored vehicle, equipped with systems developed by Leonardo. We have already dedicated several episodes to the VBS. This use confirms the versatility of the project and the possibility of adapting it to different operational needs by adapting, as mentioned before, the platform to the national systems of the client country. Before we continue, I want to remind you that this project exists thanks to you. If you like what we do and what we tell you, please leave a like and share this video on your social media. And comment to let us know your thoughts about this alliance. Thank you very much. There's some news I haven't been able to tell you yet, and it's still about IDV, which at the beginning of April started new industrial activities in Brazil, a country with which the company has very close ties. Brasilia has long chosen Italian solutions in various fields. On the ground, we find vehicles like the Centauro 2 or the Guarani, the result of a specific local partnership. In April, IDV inaugurated a production line dedicated to the LMV2 multi-role vehicle, a 4x4, at the Sete Lagoas plant. The vehicle, as you can see, is based on our Lince. It has a different name, Guaicurus. The industrial site already hosts the production of the 6x6 Guarani vehicles intended for the Brazilian market, which is also looking at exports to other countries. The new production line was created to fulfill a contract signed in July 2024 with the Brazilian army, which calls for the supply, believe it or not, of 420 light multi-role vehicles. The vehicle, named Guaicurus, is currently in service, with over 30 vehicles already fielded. The vehicle is designed to enhance the mobility, protection, and versatility of troops deployed in different types of missions throughout the territory, which, due to its orography, represents a challenge for any armed force in the world. The LMV platform is one of IDV's main products in the light multi-role vehicle segment, with over 4,000 units in operation worldwide. It is available in different configurations with various levels of protection and specific setups depending on the required mission profile. I was just talking to you about this kind of configuration recently. It gained attention on social media because of a video from Ukraine showing one of the vehicles from the Linz family, I'm not sure if it's the Linz 2 version, with additional armor surviving a direct hit. The initiative is part of a broader context of expanding the industrial activities of IDV and the Leonardo Group, with the goal of strengthening production capacity and presence in international markets, which ultimately aligns with what we told you at the beginning of the episode. Well, that said, feel free to roast the pronunciation of Guaycurus, or however it's pronounced, in the comments. It's the end of the week, cut me some slack. See you back here soon. Sources, as always, in the first comment, and have a great weekend, everyone. Bye bye.